I know, Jenny, you want to be the star. Jenny here wants some food. Oh, let's take a look here. Well, I got Frog right there. Look at him, fat and sassy. Next to our good friend 57. They're not from the same farm. We got them at different times, but they're like best of friends. Sally's got her lambs, and that's Jane's with her. And where's Mary? Mary's probably out causing trouble. Mary is very brave and walks outside and goes under the fence. The fence is off right now because of it just grounds out. Yeah, the braided wire right now just grounds out on our T-post because we don't have a permanent fence here. And so they're getting out. I have some Premier One poultry netting and golden lamb. Well, golden sheep netting here. So I'm going to hopefully get some frozen ground this week. It's supposed to get up to 50. TP didn't want to say much. And get that netting in so we can kind of keep her in the corral, so to say. There's that rooster from the last video. There's the other one. They're both bantams. But this one clearly was fluffy butt and bullwinkles. By how they're acting around each other. Right, Johnny? I don't think those two were fighting. I think he, or maybe a she got in a fight with one of the hens. They're bantams. They're in with regular chickens. There's a couple that the hens are aggressive. They won't take crap from anyone. Even the roosters. All right. On to other things. Isn't that right, Jenny? You want some food? She turns her head like, no, I don't want food, but she wants food. I'm not near Jenny, but some people will ask, and actually the question came in at the feed store while I was there. What do I feed my donkey? Person who has a donkey doesn't even know what they're feeding them. But what do I feed my donkey? Hold on. That is not a cat. Or is it? I don't think so. Cat ran by me. It's a cat. Okay. Pretty sure it's a cat. We have weasels around here, so you gotta watch out for them. They'll decimate all your chickens, all your poultry. They'll just annihilate it. Yeah, you need spring cleaning. You're all making a mess. As I digress and have a squirrel moment, what do I feed our donkey? Well, we feed it hay along with the sheep and the goats. We use second cut. Some people will use first cut with their horses and whatever. This is second cut, soft grass. Donkeys don't take a lot to survive. They don't need a lot. They're actually, from what we find out, is a little bit lesser. But she does like oats, and she does like some grain, and I give her approximately, hold on. Sorry about the lighting. So, I'm back with the sheep and donkey right now. But we feed her some grain, and the grain we feed her is actually our goat feed. And some people might get on me saying that, hey, you know, they're not supposed to have that. It's mainly molasses, corn, and oats, and highly on oats. And then what I do is I add more oats to it, and then I also add sugar beet pellets, which is good for the donkey. It's fine. It's not super active. And it's a high sugar, low protein, which is good for her. Yeah, so like if you talk to anybody about horses and know anything about horses, I don't really. They'll say your older horses, your less active horses, the ones that you're not riding, they don't need a high protein, and sure, beet pellets are good for them because it's that sugar and it's low protein. It's only like 9%, I think, on the top, but it can be a little bit less. I think down to 7. So that's that. What are you guys doing? Well, girls. They're in the mineral feeder, ready to find out what it is. All right. Notice there was no Mary in that group. She's off adventuring, I'm sure. Let's go find her. She was hidden. She's already on grass. Week old. Already trying out hay. That's a good thing. They'll get her ruminant going. That with mom's milk, she'll do really good. She'll grow really well. We don't do any grain here, so there's no creep feed, but they do grass. But I need to fix that side so they don't get up there and do what Roadmap did. I gotta get to that. So we found the lambs, all of them. Mary's venturing into food. Little second cut hay. So that's good. Let's keep going for the day. I know I gotta go pick up Melody. About 45 minutes away, so gotta get to it. All right, folks, we're back. Got Melody's nighttime chores. Jenny. She might want them. I don't know. Sun's blaring in my eyes, right? Jenny, you want some food? I don't know. She might. Bandit, you want food, but you don't get any of this. Maybe she doesn't want any. Oh, well. Well, we're here. That's Alice right there. I don't see any discharge. Of course, Jane is sniffing and Bandit's sniffing the stick. Bandit! Come on. But she doesn't look to have any discharge, and her nipples are poking, but her sac is not growing. Actually, no, that was Fancy. There's Alice. Alice and Fancy look similar. But Alice has that little bit of Dorper in her, and she has a little bit of a browner thing. Let's see what she's got. I can see her nipples. You can't probably see it as well. Her bag is not really filling yet. There's Frog. Come on, Frog. I don't think she's going to come up. All right. We'll get back to you. We'll see if they come. Ellie's the Pied Piper today. She's got the chicken feed. They're all following her like they're lost. Look at them all. All the games, the chickens, the ducks will find her too. Here they all are. She'll go in there. And all the main poultry will, oh, even the ducks are going today. That's odd, because they like her more than me. I'm not as liked. Here's my favorite little guy, Vinny, a little Bantam rooster. Here's the two daughters and the mom. Here comes Dad out the door. He's looking for his feed. Oh, geez. Here comes the corn. Well, they're waiting. All right, time to go to the pigs. Lamb, what are you doing? What's up, sheep? What's up, Sally? What's up? He's like my dog. What? Think the pigs are mad today? I can hear them. Let's go get them. Yeah, so we got a freezer coming, and it'll be here on Wednesday, so in a couple days. Well, in a day for you guys, not even. So then the pigs can go to processing. We have an Amish guy, Amish butcher, that's go butcher them for us, and possibly buy $5. Might buy pig killer, but I don't know if I'm gonna sell them. I might just keep it all for ourselves. We'll see where they weigh out at. All right. All right, well, we fed the sheep, fed the goats, gave everyone water, filled up the sheep 75-gallon tote. Thanks, Vinny. So I think that's going to do it for the day. Hopefully we get a couple more lambs soon. At least one, maybe two. And we'll have that, of course, on video. And have that for our records and yours. So we'll see you again. Remember, like, share, subscribe. And I will see you again here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead. Peace.